to my channel, guys. It's your lady Winari, and today we're vlogging. I wanted to show you something beautiful, something cinematic, something romantic, something for everybody, and it's an attraction in my neighborhood, and it's gorgeous, and it's literally just for our own pleasure and for our own viewing. I love Canada. I love Canada so much. So this is not a park, this is just a regular entrance to a neighborhood, and this is like what you see when you enter the neighborhood, and it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and I'll show you how beautiful this place is. Let's go! And guys, I hope this video is doing it justice though. I really hope it's clear enough. But let's go to the lake. So this is the lake, and this is just free running water, and it's beautiful. Are you seeing the waterfall? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Look at the stone walk, it's beautiful. And guys, you cannot swim in this water. I'm not sure if you can fish in this water either though, but remember when it's winter time, it's all icy, so all you will see is ice here, and that's it. But let's continue the tour of this beautiful gem. It's gorgeous. Today I went for a walk in my neighborhood. I was like, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Normally I would just drive past here, I don't actually stop to look at it, but I went for a walk today and I was just impressed with how beautiful it looked. So we're gonna go to the waterfall now. So this is still the lake. Let me show you, and it goes around, guys. It wraps around, like it's the whole, it wraps around, so it's beautiful. And that's it. And you can stay here. If you're getting married, you can definitely have your photo shoot here as well. It's beautiful. And for the pièce de résistance, look at that. Look at that. Are you seeing the waterfall? It's very loud, by the way, but this is fresh, beautiful water. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You'll be like, does this even exist in Canada? It does. We have water here. It's not just ice all the time. But look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. It's just, this reminds me of Bacab in Belize. Bacab in Belize, they have this little slide and a waterfall, and it's the most beautiful scene you will ever see. Blue water, it's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So it reminds me of back in Belize, and I just, I'm missing back home now. So we have 1, 2, and 3 waterfalls. And as you can see, guys, it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at it. And I'm here with my family.
We can't go across. We need a bridge.
Yes, a bridge. Good, smart, baby. A bridge or a boat, right?
To cross over.
So I'm telling everyone, this is like an expansive view. It's just beautiful. So where is the water coming from? Do we have any idea where it's coming from?
The lake.
Oh, this is called a lake. So would you consider this a park or an attraction for this neighborhood? An attraction. Okay, cool. That's my man, guys. He's just, giving us some gems. I'm recording, not you, I'm recording your voice. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm missing this scene here. Look at the beautiful lake. Oh, I missed the stone part. Let's go back here. So you can sit here, you can chill, you can relax. It's gorgeous. So look at this. And this is just a welcome to the neighborhood, guys. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the bench. Let's go closer. Look at the steps to get up. Are you seeing it? These are the houses there. You could just imagine during the Christmas time, all of the streets will be lit up. I will definitely come and vlog here again if there's more, you know, attractions there, and make sure it's in my video. It's gorgeous. Whoa. And I just realized it's also a golf course. Right, babe? Look at the little potty holes. Wow. I'm currently like on a hilltop. All of this for attraction. What a waste of money. It's a waste of money. A lot of it is a, oh wow. Whoa, look at that, guys. I zoomed in. Wow. Maybe see there's another golfing pad across. Okay, so they have their spot or their point. But thank you for the view though. I love it. Gorgeous. Oh wow. Let me take you a picture and I wanted to just take you guys on a little adventure or a little outing in my neighborhood, and I hope you all liked it. It's your lady Winari. Have an amazing day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.